Cats are known for their independent and sometimes unpredictable behavior, and one of the most common experiences cat owners have is being scratched or bitten when attempting to rub their cat's belly. Unlike dogs, who often enjoy belly rubs as a sign of affection and trust, most cats react negatively to this type of touch. While there are exceptions, the majority of cats instinctively dislike having their bellies touched, and the reasons for this response are deeply rooted in their biology, instincts, and evolutionary history. One of the primary reasons cats dislike belly rubs is their heightened sensitivity in this area. A cat's underside is one of the most vulnerable parts of its body, housing vital organs such as the stomach, liver, intestines, and spleen. In the wild, exposing the belly would leave these crucial organs unprotected, making a cat more susceptible to injury or attack from predators. This instinct has carried over into domestic cats, which still react defensively when their belly is touched, even if they are in a safe and controlled environment. When a cat feels that its vulnerability is being compromised, it may react with defensive behaviors such as scratching, biting, or quickly rolling away. Another reason cats dislike belly rubs is the presence of highly sensitive nerve endings in the skin covering their abdomen. Cats have a heightened sense of touch, and their bellies contain a concentration of nerve receptors that make the area extremely responsive to physical stimuli. While light petting on the head or back may feel pleasant to a cat, belly rubs can quickly become overstimulating and uncomfortable. The sensation may be perceived as too intense, triggering an involuntary defensive reaction even if the cat does not feel threatened. A cat's body language can often be misinterpreted by humans, leading to misunderstandings about whether a cat actually wants its belly rubbed. Many cat owners assume that when a cat rolls onto its back and exposes its belly, it is an invitation for petting. However, in feline communication, exposing the belly is not necessarily a sign of trust or a request for attention. Instead, it can be a defensive posture that allows the cat to prepare for a potential attack. When a cat is lying on its back, it has all four paws and claws available for defense, making this a strategic position if it feels threatened. In some cases, a cat may roll onto its back simply as a sign of relaxation or playfulness, but this does not mean it wants its belly touched. Additionally, a cat's individual personality and socialization history can influence how it responds to belly rubs. Some cats may tolerate or even enjoy gentle belly petting if they have been conditioned to accept it from a young age. Kittens that are frequently and positively exposed to belly touching during their socialization period may be more likely to accept it as adults. However, for most cats, belly petting remains an uncomfortable experience due to their natural instincts and sensitivity. There are some exceptions to the general rule, as certain cat breeds and individual personalities may be more tolerant of belly rubs. Breeds such as Ragdolls and Maine Coons, which are known for their relaxed and affectionate nature, may be more likely to allow belly rubs without reacting aggressively. However, even within these breeds, personal preferences vary, and many cats will still resist belly touching regardless of their temperament. Understanding a cat's behavior and respecting its boundaries is crucial for maintaining a positive relationship with a feline companion. Instead of attempting to pet a cat's belly, cat owners should pay attention to their pet's body language and focus on areas where the cat enjoys being petted, such as the head, chin, or back. Signs that a cat does not want to be touched include twitching tails, flattened ears, dilated pupils, or sudden movements away from contact. If a cat reacts negatively to belly petting, it is best to stop immediately and allow the cat to retreat without forcing interaction. The preference against belly rubs is not a sign that a cat does not trust its owner, nor does it mean that the cat is unfriendly. Rather, it is a natural instinct that has evolved for survival and self-preservation. By understanding and respecting a cat's natural behaviors, pet owners can strengthen their bond with their feline companions and ensure positive interactions that align with the cat's comfort levels.